Hello, beautiful student, and welcome to class 5 of our beginner in beaded bag course. So today we're going to be learning decrease and increase. So first we're going to be learning how to decrease. So first, guys, you have to get a new fishing line. To decrease, you have to start at the second ring of 4, not first now, because you're decreasing. You have to start here. You insert your fishing line here. You insert your fishing line here, guys, and you continue beading. We're using this pink bead as a variable so that you can understand the decrease method. So now we're inserting this 3 bead into the right fishing line. So guys, can you see how it looks? You're starting here, not here on the first place. This is decrease. You're starting here. So our left fishing line is going inside this bead, guys. So guys, I'm going to be beading here. I will turn so that I can show you the next decrease. So guys, I've beaded till this place now. So let's continue beading. I'm going to be adding 2 bead into my right fishing line. Let me see, guys. I'm going to be crossing this bead. So now we want to get decrease for this place. So we're going to be inserting our left fishing line into this bead here. So guys, what we're going to do here, this to get an increase now, this left fishing line, guys, we're going to be inserting 2 beads into that left fishing line. Then this bead here at the middle, this bead here at the middle, this same left fishing line, guys, you're going to be inserting that left fishing line into the bead. Can you see? Can you see that our line now is in between this bead here? So what you're going to be doing next now, this down fishing line here, you insert it inside this. Can you see? The fishing lines are here, right? Inside this bead. Now this next bead here, you insert the fishing line there. You insert it there. After inserting that fishing line there, then this bead here, you insert that same fishing line inside this up this bead here. Can you see that? Same fishing line, you inserting it inside this up bead here. You inserting it inside here like this. Can you see? And this fish line that has been here, this one, you insert it inside that same bead, just like this. And look at you. So guys, can you see that our both fish line are inside this bead here? So now to continue, can you see now? This is our first decrease. This is the second decrease. This is the third decrease. Now we want to continue another row. You insert 3 beads on this left fishing line. Then cross with the right fishing line. So let's bead through and come back and make another decrease. So guys, I finished making this one. So now I want to make another decrease. So now this left fishing line, the left fishing line here, you're adding 2 beads. You're not crossing this time. This left fishing line, you're going to insert it inside this bead here. Can you see? This bead where your right hand fishing line is, you're going to be inserting it inside. Okay, so can you see that, guys? Now your fishing line is in between this bead here. What you're going to do next, this down fishing line, you're inserting it inside this bead here. You're also inserting it into this bead here, and also this bead here. While this one, you're inserting it into this bead, crossing each other. So can you see? Look at how you make a decrease. Now we want to make our last decrease. So you insert your 3 beads. 3. Guys, I want to use the loop method, so that I'm going to be having a firm work. Because it's my last work, I don't want it to lose. So guys, we just finished our decrease. Look at the decrease, is coming like this, while no, this is the decrease, this is the increase. Why the increase is going like this? So can you see the difference? So that's how to make your decrease and increase. Thank you for watching class 5 of the beginner in beaded bag course. Do well to subscribe, like, and comment if you have any questions about beading tutorials. I'll be pleased to answer you guys. See you on our class 6. Bye for now.